Draw a scene in two-point perspective. At some point, you should put what you studied till now to the test. Draw something like a busy street corner, or shoot, I don't know. If you're having trouble coming up with something to draw, just try and think of a story you would like to make and a type of scene that you would like for such a story. Your first step is to plan out your drawing gesturally. Trying to imagine the VP. This is probably bad practice. Trying to imagine the VP being out here somewhere, and drawing it kind of like that. It's bad practice. Probably shouldn't do it that way. But I could probably accommodate for this. So this is gonna be my whatchamacallit, picture plane, drawing space, whatever you call it. This is where I want to be. So what I can do is, when I'm ready, I can zoom it out. What is going on here? Well, why is that being drawn like that? Okay, let's merge these two guys. That is strange. Merge, select layers. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not. Why don't I work with Photoshop instead? You know, I attempted to work with Photoshop for like doing this, but like Photoshop on my old system had like critical error, like so critical. Like it basically forced me to have to like reinstall the operating system and format. It was a really bad error. And I haven't really gotten around to like fixing it. It's gonna take a while to fix. I don't know. Maybe there's like a billboard or all those information displays. You guys see any of those like go downtown or someplace and you have those information displays and there's like a, oh wait, I did say that there was going to be people here, right? So maybe do stir over here, over here. I don't know what they're doing. Maybe some kind of garbage thing, or I don't even know what that is yet. Maybe a shindig, whatchamacallit. I'll make this lower. Just make it very like rough and gestural and rough, just to have like a very basic idea of what you want it to like inevitably look like. It doesn't have to be like, it just has to be like very rough in general. Just gonna change the canvas size 3200. That's something you can't do on paper. So you can see the vanishing point. It's going to be like hanging off the side of the paper here. Over here I've got the vanishing point over here. One vanishing point here. You can do that. That's okay. As long as it's consistent, it's okay.